my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of Vechain coin. In this video, friends, I will show you the live price predictions, the live price changes occur in the Vechain coin, what's the high price, what's the current status of Vechain coin. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of urgent videos notifications. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price predictions chart of the Vechain coin. That is the live price prediction of Vechain coin you are watching now, friends. If we talk about the average change occurred in the Vechain and the last 1 hour, so the average change is -1% goes in the Vechain coin, and the high price of Vechain is about $0.14615 is the high price of Vechain coin in the last 1 hour, friends. The current price of Vechain coin is now at this time though $0.1449697, and $0.1449697 is the current price of Vechain coin at this time, friends. If we look at the price chart of the Vechain coin, so the price chart tells us that continuously at this time gradually falls down of Vechain coin occur at this time, friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price predictions, what the change goes in the last 1 day. Friends, as you can see here, the last 1 day result of the Vechain coin is absolutely good. As you can see here, they goes up gradually, but now in the last 1 hour this chart falls down. Don't worry about this falls. They recover, and after some passage of falls, they again start jumping upward. Don't worry about this kind of falls. As you can see here, the last 1 day price predictions change is a positive 13.85%. So absolutely good change occur in the Vechain coin in the last 1 day, friends. And the high price is $0.0149577 is the high price of Vechain coin in the last 1 day. And now the current price is the Vechain coin is $0.1444697. So friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in these coins, please do your own research, and I'm only suggest for you, my suggestion for Vechain holders, that please hold your Vechain coin. As you know, as you can see here on the graph, they are moving upward in the futures. So please hold your Vechain coin and make a good amount of profit. And if you want to buy a Vechain coin, so absolutely it's a big opportunity for you to buy a Vechain coin, because it is explosion time of Vechain coin or starts now. Buy the Vechain coin and make a good amount of profit in the future. What's your opinion about Vechain coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent news and updates video notifications.